Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create these trendy text bubble videos where you can show funny stories or nice moments. Upload your background video, select text and then text template, search for message and find the right text bubbles. Repeat the process depending how many text bubbles you need. After having the receiving bubble and the sending bubble in the right position, just duplicate the bubbles so you have a full conversation. The next step would be to fill in the text bubbles, create a funny conversation or a nice story. After finishing to create the conversation, you must adjust the text bubbles to fit the timeline and the positions. Adjust the positions and the time when they need to start. Just drag and drop everything and make it fit. When creating videos about receiving or sending messages, of course you need also some sound effects. You can choose the ones I use in this video, but you can also upload your own sound effects. At first I found a receiving sound effect, duplicate it, so we have it 2 times. And then I will also find a sending sound, duplicate it and find the right positions in the timeline. If you ever wonder how to implement and where to get this typing sound from keyboards, here you can find it. After adding sounds or anything else, of course you need to adjust everything, cut out the parts you don't need. Yes guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.